Natalia Bonner, welcome back. All right, every year in September, I like to host a fun series called the 9 Patch Along. This year, we're actually on the 9 Patch Along 7.0. So crazy. You can actually go back and enroll in all the previous series. What are these series? Okay, so over the course of 9 days, I release 9 video tutorials where I show you how to machine quilt 9 patch quilt blocks using machine quilting rulers. Say that 10 times. Anyways, on the bottom of my quilt as I'm quilting, I also have these 9 bonus blocks down here, and they're just a great space, at least for me, to practice, to play, to become more creative. The more you quilt, the more you use your rulers, the more creative you will become. Today, I have a fun idea in mind. We'll see how it turns out. This is real. A lot of times will just start playing, creating lines, and then just adding to them, and that's how designs evolve, doodling with thread, really. Okay, so we're going to be using the Sway 4 Machine Quilting Ruler. You can pick that up, plus find all the details about this series, all the products that I'm using here, over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. Let's hop right into the quilting though. Let's hop down here. I'll be doing all my quilting on my Gamble 22-inch machine. I will be stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 14 stitches per inch. So whenever you're doing any machine quilting with rulers, it is essential that you have a ruler foot on your machine, as well as a ruler base, which creates this large flat working surface. I recommend picking those up from your machine dealer, your machine manufacturer. The other thing you always want to remember is gentle pressure. I'm using gentle pressure here on the ruler as I hold it, but also on the machine as I glide it. All right, I have an idea here. We're going to see how well it turns out. What I'm going to do is start out here lining this straight line through this end, the circle end of the Sway 4 ruler. I'm lining that up right on top of my ditch. So I'm stitching a point to point half circle. Okay, so there's my circle. Now through here to stitch back over to the left, I'm going to simply add in like a fun little loop, which is going to give it kind of a flowery look. Okay, I'm loving it. So now what I'll do is actually travel down here to the bottom, and I'm going to repeat that. I love it. It's just simple. Honestly, it's super cute like this, but I can see like adding little details into there and making it into a butterfly. That would be super cute as well. Okay, I love how that design turned out. Like I said, it would be super cute to add a few details into there and turn it into a butterfly. The possibilities are so endless. Anyways, I love how it turned out. You can find all of the details about this series, plus grab my machine quilting rulers and our companion design workbook over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. But before you do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be back soon with another machine quilting video.